Utiliko understands the importance of managing opportunities. This amazing tool lets you manage and present your opportunity in a professional manner. The Opportunities section displays all the opportunities you have created. An opportunity is a potential sale or opportunity to work with a client. You can create an opportunity by clicking on New Opportunity. You may then fill out the information needed and click on Create Opportunity. You may add attachments, meetings, notes, and others in Opportunity. The default list of opportunities can be viewed as a grid by clicking on the grid view icon. You can also filter the opportunities you want to display by clicking on the filter icon. Hovering over the opportunity provides you a quick snapshot of the opportunity. Clicking on the opportunity name takes you to the detail page, and clicking on the client name takes you directly to the client detail page.